Welcome everybody to the Cyber Money Tax Refund Update. Today I have a lot of stuff to cover. Before I begin, I want you all to know that I am running a Cyber Monday sale. I had the Black Friday sale for 2 weeks. Now it's the Cyber Monday sale. It's available on my website. I have the link below this video. You can go there and shop and get Cyber Monday deals up to 50% off. Sale ends Thursday night at 11:59 p.m. So don't miss it, you guys. If you've been looking to get my course and some of the other stuff from me, make sure you check out my website, you guys. And don't forget, I have free items, one free item on there for download available to you guys. The link is below this video also to take advantage of the freebie on Cyber Money, and also to shop the Cyber Monday deals. Before I get started with the tax refund, I'm gonna go over a lot of things because we know tax season is coming up, you guys. We also know that a lot of people have been asking me about the holiday loans, and they're coming in December. I will be talking about that. Also, for those of you who have been still waiting on your refund, you can go to house.gov and senator.gov and make sure you reach out to them to see what's going on with your refund if you haven't got it. I have the links below this video and description of this video. You guys, those who want to go directly to your congressman, which is house.gov, or your senator.gov, you guys, that will help you. Also go to a taxpayer advocate as well if you need help with your tax return. Don't forget the free PDF download is in the description with the review letters. Also, the free download to help you prepare for tax season 2024 is on my website. When you go there, you should see it, you guys. And for those of you who haven't already subscribed, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. I upload videos weekly and go live, and during tax season it's going to be a lot more people having questions and want to give updates. So you definitely, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. Again, the Cyber Monday sale is right now. It started this morning at 12 a.m. on my website for those who want to take advantage of my deals on it, because this is going to be the last time, you guys, that you can take advantage of the deals of the course or anything you need from my website to help you guys, okay, with taxes, finances, and building wealth. Now, I'm going to jump right into, you guys, the tax refund update, and then I'll come back to some things because I know a lot of you want to know what's going on with the tax refunds, and I know you want your money. So let me do a screen share right quick, you guys. Give me a few minutes and I will screen share the RS website so you'll know what the new update is. By the way, again, for those of you who haven't already received your refund, don't forget to go to house.gov and reach out to your congressman or your senator, and they will help you. A lot of people have been commenting saying that they hadn't received any help, but make sure you reach out and make sure the number that you give and the email that you give is correct. And sometimes they will contact you guys by phone. Okay, so keep the phone by you handy, okay? All right, I'm going to scroll down this website, and I'm going to share information from the last time I did it up to now, okay? Okay, the IRS says we're processing tax returns, payments, refund, and correspondence. However, we continue to experience delays, so we know that it's delayed. We're working hard to get through the inventory. For those of you who other people might need this information, make sure you share this video out to other people, you guys, on social media, or other people who may need this. They're processing tax returns that need to be reviewed and corrected, answering mail also from taxpayers. Okay, now we're going, last time it was from November the 9th. Now they updated from November to the 17th. For those of you who want to enlarge your screen, the screenshot it, you can. So I'm going to be skipping down. It says we process all paper and electronic individual returns received prior to October 2023, and we're opening mail within normal time frames. Now, let me skip down. It says as of November 11th, 2023, we had 950,000 unprocessed individual returns. How is that different from the last time I did it, you guys? Well, last time it was 1.01 million. And it went up to 1.01 million last time I did it because a lot of people still filing their tax return. Remember, tax season ended for those who had delayed or, they waited to the last minute to do it. They had the October the 16th. They had disaster areas. This one trying disaster areas had a little bit more time to get theirs in, so that number increased to 1.01 million. This week is 953,000 unprocessed individual returns. These include tax years 2022 and 2021 returns that need review or correction and late filed prior year returns. Of these, it says 700,000 returns require error correction or other special handling, and 250,000 are paper returns waiting to be reviewed and processed by the IRS. How is that different? Last time it was 700. They still have 700,000 that still require error correction. If you still have not received a letter, you don't know what's going on with your tax return, and you filed early, like February, March of 2023, then you know that it has an error. Is something going on, or you need to verify something on your end, even though you might have not received the letter. Most of the time, the IRS, they don't need any information. They will try to work on your return themselves, so they won't have to bother you. I discussed this in my last videos. So it says this work doesn't typically require us to correspond with taxpayers, but it does require special handling by an IRS employee. So in these instances, it takes the IRS more than 21 days to issue any related refund. And we know a lot of you filed earlier in March, February, April, and you still haven't. So, it's beyond 21 days, okay? The paper returns, we see 253,000. How is different? Last time it was 311,000. So it went down pretty good from the last time. Let me scroll down. How long you may have to wait. Let me scroll down so I can see, because it talks a lot about the delayed. It says, as the return is processed, whether it was filed electronically or on paper, it may be delayed because it has a mistake, is missing information, or there is suspicious activity referred by banks. And a lot of people don't get that. Suspicious activity referred by banks. It says that we can fix it without contacting you. The IRS said they will. If they need more information or need to verify you sent the tax return, they'll see it. The resolution of these issues could take more than 120 days. Now, back to the letter. Some of you guys contact me if they send you a letter, and I've been saying this through tax season, and they don't need any information that they said that they're correcting on their end. All you gotta do is patiently wait. But if they do ask you for information, even if you don't agree, you got to respond to the letter. Please do not just say I disagree and do nothing. You have to respond to the letter. And that's why I got the PDF review letters to help you guys who need help with review letters if you receive that type of letter. Okay, the information, what you need to do, and always keep copies. If you send in faxes, keep the faxing number. If you send in the other way, make sure you keep your tracking information. It says what you should do in most instances, no further action is needed, and they'll contact you by mail if they need more information, or if we made a change to your return. If you file electronically and receiving an acknowledgement, you don't need to take any further action other than promptly responding to any requested information. Even if you disagree, please respond. Some of you have tax offset. That's why you don't have your return or refund. Some of you may have other issues going on with your refund and you wonder you put in the wrong banking account number, routing number. You need to check all that information out too, you guys. It says if you are due a refund filed on paper more than 6 months ago, and the IRS or the WMR, which is where's my refund, does not indicate that they receive your tax return, you should resubmit your tax return electronically if possible. Make sure it includes the original signature. Notice I'm talking about paper returns. I'm not talking about electronically. It says if you filed by paper more than 6 months ago. If you haven't seen anything change on WMR with your tax return or where's my refund, that's what I'm talking about, on irs.gov, then that's when you do it. And make sure you include original signature. Please do not file your tax return again unless you receive a notice. This is talking about electronically. Please don't file your tax return again unless you receive a notice from the IRS. Also, if you filed a paper return, it doesn't already show. Don't keep resubmitting a new signed copy of tax returns just to be doing it, because that makes your refund get pushed off even more later, okay? If they need any information, they will contact you. All right. Before I go into amended, you guys, I want to discuss something else with you guys. Don't forget, like I said, tax season is coming up. If y'all have any questions, comments, make sure you drop them in this chat box, or even after the video, you can drop it in there again. I'm going to go back to amended returns, because I know a lot of people had questions, but I'm moving forward to talk about tax season 2024. For those of you who want a copy again of the about taxpayers and what to expect and planning for tax season, make sure you go to my store link. Also, for those of you who are my tax clients and you may be watching, don't forget that tax season is coming up. Holiday loans will be in December, you guys. December. And I will send out an email to you guys regarding that for those of you who are my clients. It's going to be on the Faster Money Discover prepaid card up to $500. The pre-season loans will be in January 3rd, and then the refund advance loans always be when the open of tax season. For those of you who have questions about that, that's why I'm telling you. Holiday loans starts December. Pre-season loans starts January 3rd. Refund advance is the opening of tax season, you guys, that it'll be available. The holiday loans will be on the Faster Money Discover prepaid card for those of you interested in that. The Faster Money Discover card, when you put your refund on there, you get it up to 4 days earlier for those, but you can still, that's an option. That's a tax refund option. You don't have to do it. I'm just letting you know, you guys, all of that information before I move on to amended returns. Now, let me move back to the amended. I'm going to scroll down. Remember, you guys, a lot of people have been doing things they shouldn't be doing with the businesses are filing that employee retention credit, and they have kind of stopped and making sure they check everything, because people have been filing employee retention credit, don't have W-2 employees, and they've been getting it. So the IRS has been strict on it. So they checking the returns. So that's kind of what's slowing it up too, you guys, for those of you who haven't received it. Okay, as of November 11, 2023, the IRS said they had 770 unprocessed forms 1040Xs. How is this different? Well, you know, people continue to file, but the difference is I got 783,000. The number goes up as people are continuing to file even after October 16th. So that's why you see a lot of unprocessed. The number go up and down every time I give you a new update. I go by the IRS update on the website weekly as they post, okay? So I give it to y'all as it is given to me from the website. If you have any question, have any concern, let me know. Again, don't forget to share out this video to other people that may help them as well. And don't forget, you guys, the Cyber Monday sale that's going on right now. Don't forget to check that out. For those of you who are interested in that, it will be available until November 30th at 11:59. You guys, and then that'll end all the ones who've been wanting my coaching and been wanting the course. Also, you guys, people ask me about coaching. If you want the coaching, that's one-on-one with me. I had to tell somebody because I have students, and some of the students got confused thinking that coaching was like the course. The coaching is coaching. That's one-on-one with me. The course, when y'all purchase that, is my course when you have to start from one module and end at the last one, okay? And that's available 24 hours a day, and you can take your time with that for those who want to start your own tax businesses, help you with that, and also getting clients, because anybody can start a business. But can you get clients? Can you get sales? So that's the purpose of that course, to help with that as well, okay? Guys, I hope that all of you who haven't received your tax refund will get it very soon. Again, if you have any questions and you have any concerns after this video and you didn't put it in the chat about now, make sure you comment and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can, even after this video. Y'all have a great day and enjoy Cyber Monday.